Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best 6-star testosterone booster is probably one of the most talked about supplements in the fitness community, promising to elevate your workouts and enhance your physique by naturally supporting testosterone levels. If you're looking to push past your limits, increase muscle mass, and boost your energy, this product aims to be your go-to solution, and in this review, we'll dive deep into whether it truly delivers on its ambitious claims and if it's the right choice for your fitness journey. Number 5. Snap Supplements Nitric Oxide. Are you looking to boost your energy levels and enhance your workout performance? This supplement is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Experience quicker recovery times after intense physical activity. It supports muscle growth, allowing you to get back to your training sooner. Promote better circulation and overall heart health. This formula is crafted to support your cardiovascular system effectively. Feel a natural surge of energy to power through your day. It's formulated with L-arginine to help you feel revitalized. Each bottle provides a full month supply of vegetarian capsules. It's a convenient way to support your health and fitness journey. Made with vegetarian ingredients, this supplement is a quality choice for your wellness routine. Support your body naturally and effectively. What we like. This supplement is designed to boost your energy levels and support quick recovery. It also contributes to heart health. If you're looking for an all-around energy and recovery aid, this is a great choice. What people say. I've been using them for 3 months and my blood pressure has dropped and I have great performance in the gym taking them. Help support my energy level when I am out on long rides. It makes me feel strong for the gym and provides a good recovery after my moves and exercise. Number 4. Jacked Factory Androsurge Estrogen Blocker. Are you looking to optimize your male vitality? Discover a natural way to support your body's balance and performance. This formula is designed to help boost testosterone levels naturally. It aids in metabolizing estrogen, promoting a healthier hormonal environment. Featuring key ingredients like Tomcat Ali and DIM, it harnesses the power of nature. These components work together to enhance your results. It's not just about balance, it's about progress. This supplement can support your muscle building goals and overall physical performance. Take control of your well-being with this effective and natural solution. Experience the difference it can make in your daily life. Each bottle provides a full supply to support your journey. Consistency is key to achieving your desired outcomes. What we like. This product focuses on blocking estrogen and utilizes natural ingredients for a balanced approach. It's also a muscle builder. If you are seeking to manage estrogen levels while supporting muscle growth, this is the one for you. What people say. I could feel the boost of energy in the gym and even at home almost instantly. My strength has increased in a couple of short weeks and I am already starting to feel like my old self again. This supplement has quickly become a staple in my daily routine, and I just ordered a second bottle because it works that well. Since starting Androsurge, I've noticed significant improvements in my vitality and overall performance. The combination of natural ingredients like DIM, long jack, and grapeseed extract seems to work wonders for boosting energy and supporting my muscle building goals. I've experienced more strength during my workouts, and my recovery time has improved dramatically. This product has had a measured impact on my blood estrogen level, measured during blood work results. At 54, I am noticing a huge difference in my body shape, strength and male attitude. Number 3. Force Factor Test X180 Gummies. Are you ready to take your performance to the next level? Discover the power within you with our revolutionary formula. This advanced supplement is designed to support healthy testosterone levels. It's formulated with a blend of powerful, natural ingredients. Featuring Tomcat Ali, horny goat weed, Tribulus terrestris, fenugreek, and black maca, it's crafted specifically for men's needs. Enjoy the benefits in a convenient and delicious berry punch gummy. Each pack contains 60 gummies for your daily regimen. Experience enhanced vitality and drive. It's time to feel your best and conquer your goals. Simply take the recommended dose daily. Make it a seamless part of your wellness routine. What we like. Enjoy a delicious berry punch flavor in an easy-to-take gummy form. It contains a blend of popular herbs, If you dislike pills and prefer a tasty, convenient way to supplement, this is an excellent option. What people say. I mainly noticed better energy and focus during the day, especially when I stay consistent with them. Energy levels are definitely up. I have been waking up at 5:30 a.m. for my workouts without issues. Prolonged energy in the gym. Number 2. Jacked Factory PRIMASURGE Testosterone Booster. Are you looking to elevate your performance and vitality? Discover a natural way to support your body's key functions. This formula is crafted with potent natural ingredients like Tongkat Ali, Primavai, and Ashwagandha. These elements work synergistically to enhance your well-being. Experience a noticeable increase in your daily energy levels and overall vitality. Feel more alive and ready to take on any challenge. For those focused on fitness, it aids in supporting muscle growth. Achieve your physique goals with this effective natural muscle builder. It provides a clean and effective way to boost your body's natural processes. Get the results you desire without compromise. With 60 veggie pills per bottle, it's simple to add to your daily routine. Make it a part of your health regimen effortlessly. What we like. This formula aims to boost vitality, support muscle growth, and enhance energy. It's a natural muscle builder. If you're looking to increase your overall vitality and fuel your workouts for better muscle gains, consider this. What people say. Slight increase in energy. Slight increase in desire including a mild physical reaction. Chronic osteoarthritis mysteriously disappeared quite a while ago. Number 1. T-Gains Testosterone Booster for Men. Are you looking to enhance your muscle growth and performance? This powerful supplement is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Experience a significant increase in your endurance and strength. It's formulated to support your body's natural processes for peak physical output. Feel a surge of natural energy to power through your workouts and your day. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to sustained vitality. This advanced formula acts as a testosterone booster, supporting optimal levels for men. It's designed to complement your fitness regimen. It also works to block estrogen, helping to create a more favorable environment for muscle development. Achieve the physique you've been working towards. Furthermore, it aids in supporting your body's natural HGH production. This comprehensive approach supports overall male vitality and performance. What we like. This supplement is formulated to boost endurance and strength, while also acting as an estrogen blocker. It's designed for those seeking to enhance physical performance and manage estrogen. If you need to push your limits and improve your stamina, this is a strong contender. What people say. In just 1.5 months of consistent use, I have experienced remarkable gains and improvements in several areas. Muscle gain. I have gained an impressive 5 pounds of muscle. This gain has not only increased my overall body mass but also improved my body symmetry significantly. I have noticed a substantial increase in my strength levels. Exercises that used to be challenging have become easier, and I am lifting heavier weights with greater confidence. My endurance has also seen a significant boost. I can now train for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Additionally, my recovery time has decreased. I experience less muscle soreness and am able to hit the gym with the same intensity the next day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.